How many times can you fold a piece of paper? Uh, pa- so assume that one had a paper that is fine, very fine. The ones that you typically use to print the Bible. So in reality, it seems like a piece of silk. To clarify these ideas, let's say that the paper is 1/1000th of thickness of a centimeter in thickness. That is 10 to the power of -3, which is 0.001 centimeters. Let's also assume that you have a big piece of paper like a page of the newspaper. We now begin to fold it in half. How many times do you think that it could be folded like that? Another question: if you could fold the paper over and over as many times as you wish, what do you imagine the thickness of the paper would be then? Before we move on, I encourage you to actually think about the possible answer to this question. Okay, after we have folded once in half, it's now 2/1000th of a centimeter. If you fold it again once more, it will be 4/1000th of a centimeter. Every fold you make, the paper doubles in thickness. Assume that we continue to fold it again and again, always in half. What do you confront the following situation then? After 10 folds, 2 to the power of 10, meaning you multiply 2 by itself 10 times, which is 1024/1000th of a centimeter, which is a little over 1 centimeter. If we continue folding the paper, what will happen then? If you fold 17 times, 2 to the power of 17, which is 133 centimeters, equals 4 feet. If you are able to fold it 25 times, thickness is, you'd get the thickness of 2 to the power of 25, which is 33,556 centimeters over 1100 feet, which makes it almost as tall as the Empire State Building. Okay, it's worthwhile to stop here and reflect for a while. If you fold the paper in half, even a paper as fine as that of the Bible, 25 times would give you a quarter of a mile. What do you learn? This type of growth is called exponential growth. As you see, folding it in half, you can go very far, but very fast too. Summarizing, if you fold a paper 25 times, thickness is a quarter of a mile. If you fold it 30 times, thickness reaches 6.5 miles, which is about the average height that planes fly. If you fold it 40 times, thickness is nearly 7,000 miles, which is about the average GPS satellite's orbit. And if you fold 48 times, thickness is way over 1 million miles. Now, if you think that the distance between the Earth and the Moon is less than 250,000 miles, starting from a piece of Bible paper, after you fold it 45 times, you get to the Moon, and if you double it once more, you get back to the Earth.